AI technology and its unique ability to create consistent results well. Considering the background of the talk, listen to this incredibly peculiar. A new artificial intelligence tool is going viral for producing entire essays in a matter of seconds. But in today's video, I'll show you how you can use this advanced technology to make money by simply copying and pasting text. Before we begin, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, as this helps me produce more videos and provide more valuable information. Before we begin generating money with ChatGPT, let me explain what this unique technology is and how it works. A simple explanation: ChatGPT is an abbreviation for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and the built-in AI chatbot generates text based on written prompts in an advanced and creative manner. For example, we can type in the chat box, "What are the best 5 ways to lose weight quickly?" And as you can see, the AI bot has generated a detailed answer in a few seconds with only one click. Consider how powerful it is. Can you imagine how much time and money we can save by employing this technology? Imagine the incredible prospects that ChatGPT can give in the future. Okay, that's impressive. Thanks for the information. But how can I start generating money with ChatGPT? To find out, don't skip any steps and watch the video until the end, because I'm going to share some tricks to get the best results. If you use the internet, you've probably heard of freelance marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, People Per Hour, etc. But don't worry, with the method I'll share with you today, we won't work as freelancers. Instead, we'll use ChatGPT to deliver the service without doing anything ourselves. In this video, I'll describe the method step by step. Now, if you go to Fiverr and click over the writing and translation category, you'll find all presently selling services on Fiverr. As you can see, there are a lot of services that we can offer utilizing ChatGPT. Let's use articles and blog posts as an example for this video. As you can see, there are a lot of successful sellers, but the most of them make hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars every day. I've been on Fiverr for a long, so I'll give you a simple yet efficient strategy to obtain faster results. Be niched in order to prevent competition. Let's say you decide to use a blog post service. Instead of creating a gig that sells blog posts to everyone, create a gig that sells blogs to a specific niche, such as weddings, fitness, and more. This way, you'll stand out and avoid competition. Now, let's say we've received an order to write an article about ways to lose weight quickly. All we need to do now is head over to ChatGPT and let the AI technology write the article for us. And just like that, in a matter of seconds, we have an entirely written article for which you will be paid without doing any research or writing a single letter ourselves. Oh my God, how amazing is that? All you need to do now is copy-paste and make money. This process is not only for writing a blog post, it has the potential to make you thousands of dollars quickly. You just need to be creative and figure out how to use it to your advantage. If you want me to reveal other ways to make money using ChatGPT, please let me know in the comments. That's all for today's video. If you found it useful, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. To see upcoming videos, thanks for watching and see you next time.